Michaels out of Paxton with a 77 Ford F350. Uh-oh. It's all good until it breaks, fans. It's all good.